Newark Tower, good evening, 1209, ILS, to the left.
United 1209, Newark, welcome. You guys are number next to Windsor 220 at 5, runway 22 left, third left.
22 left, clear line, 1209. Tower, you got time for a question?
Sure do.
What kind of coffee did you have this evening?
It's usually Red Bull, man. I'm working mids for the next, 3 weeks, so I'm dying.
That's impressive. I'm taking notes over here.
It's sugar-free. United 1209, you guys can make 2 right turns and cross runway 22 right anywhere north of Charlie. It's a closed runway for the next couple months. Taxi at your discretion. You're the only one I got moving to the ramp.
2 right turns, cross 2 right north of Charlie, taxi to the gate 107. I kind of like this midnight Newark business for 1209.
Listen, I'm back in my Chicago days where as long as you keep moving, I don't care what you do.
I was going to say that's what it felt like, and you are a woman of culture. Thank you very much.
You betcha, man. Have a good one.
Ground for 1209. Has United ramp gone home as well?
No, they should be still around.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, United 1209.
Go 1209.
Since I had enough Red Bull, I did the coordination with the ramp. You can just stay with me all the way to the gate.
Awesome, thank you much.
You bet.
And here I was negative about showing up to Newark 30 minutes after midnight, and this is like the best this airport has ever been. Thank you.
You betcha. Hey, just use Romeo Hotel into the ramp. I think they're going to have somebody shove it back on Juliet. So just as long as you're Romeo Hotel, you can just stick with me.
Hotel with you. Thanks, Holder and I.
You bet. I'd be happy to have you again anytime. I love a personality with match with a good pilot.
Bad timing. I go on mill leave on Tuesday.
Lame.
Tower, low Spirit 212, ILS 22 left.
Spirit 212, Newark, you're number 1 and number left. I don't have anybody in front or behind you. Runway 22 left. You're clear to land. Winds are 190 at 3.
Clear to land 22 left, Spirit 212.